Hello and welcome to Reno Radio. My name is Naomi Findlay and I am Australia's rapid renovation expert. And each week I will be bringing you valuable tips, information and amazing stories from around the world about renovation. Helping people create wealth through renovating is my passion, as well as creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces to live in and to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now let the show begin. So you know that I'm a big believer in the fact that we are impacted and we are shaped, and the way we respond to things is very much a product of the environment we create for ourselves. So the environment that we create for ourselves impacts upon us. So it's effectively the hand that is drawing the hand. So what I want to talk to you about today is some amazing research that I found recently. There's some great research about how what we view is processed and then how this impacts on the way we feel. So let me take you through just a little bit of neuroscience so that you understand. So there's this fantastic study that was done that looked at the fact that when light enters our eyes and impacts upon our retinas, it causes a chemical reaction behind our retina, just to make it all very simple. This causes some electrical impulses that then go to our visual cortex. So it's at the back of our brain, and it's the part of our brain that processes the visual electronic signals that come from our eyes. What happens then, though, is our brain needs to make sense of what it's seeing. So is it seeing a face? Is it seeing an object? Or is it seeing a view or a scene? We are so clever as human beings that we have different memory centers in our brain to work out whether something is an object, such as a hammer, or whether it is a face, such as our mum or our dad or our partner or a friend, or whether it is a scene. So let me recap. The light enters our eyes and has a chemical reaction on the back of our retina, which sends an electrical impulse through to our visual center, which then sends off communication channels to one of our visual centers to work out exactly what it is that we're looking at. So the crazy part that I want to share with you guys today is that the memory center that deals with a scene or a view, such as a beautiful ocean, a vista, a view out an amazing window, the pathway between the visual center and the memory center that deals with scenes or views is laced with triggers that release endorphins. So endorphins are our happy drug. Endorphins are our natural morphine, our natural high. So what that means, it explains for pretty much everyone that when we view an amazing ocean vista, or when we view rolling hills, or when we view something that is pleasing to the eye, that is a scene, our body is set up so that the electronic impulse from our visual center to our memory center triggers endorphins to be released in our body. So you're probably all wondering how this applies to space medicine. How does this apply to the concept of well-being, productivity, efficiency in our workplaces? Well, for me, it's easy. For me, it's very easy. We naturally work more productively, more creatively, and more efficiently when we're in a space of well-being, when we're in the headspace of clarity and comfort. And this is something that endorphins can do for you. So it's created the direct link between the concept of having a vista or a view to look at when we're working, to be able to increase the efficiency and the way we feel in our workspace. So for me, this is big. For me, this creates that fantastic link between what we surround ourselves in and a chemical reaction within our body to make us feel better. So I'm super pumped about this, and I'm so glad that I got to share it with you. So if you guys want to know more about space medicine or you're interested in catching these every Friday, please do so, or pop across to naomifindlay.com. We're going to be putting more and more things on there about how you can increase your productivity and efficiency in your workspace with simple and easy techniques. So thank you so much for listening, guys, and I will see you next week. See you.